Pupunta kami today sa St. Lawrence Market. Hello!
Hello! So, it's a normal Saturday for us. So, usually, since walang work naman si Tony and wala rin akong school, we just go around since we're very new here in Canada. So, umikot lang din naman kami. So, we plan to go to St. Lawrence Farmers Market today. Open siya around 5 a.m. to 3 p.m. And then afterwards, we plan to go to the well and then go around downtown na lang din to discover other places that we haven't been to.
Yeah, so today nasa downtown lang kami. Streetcar, oh.
Yes,
So, hindi pa kami kumakain, hindi pa kami nagbe-breakfast. So, sobrang gutom na kami. So, kakababa lang namin ng subway. So, it's a 9-minute walk going there.
actually, yung commute here, it's very different compared to what we have back at home in the Philippines. Parang, ewan ko, for me, mas okay mag-commute dito. Kasi may system sila compared to,
Yep.
compared dun sa Philippines. Like, yung mga bus, hindi na sila nagsistop anywhere that they want to. And then, yung trains din nila, hindi ganun kasikip. So, so I can see naman na Toronto is a commute-friendly place. So, okay naman siya. But since hindi ka mapapagod din, you just have to wear the right clothes, right shoes for commute. Yeah, so
Ito yung mga in-order namin. We ordered
lobster roll
with fries. Tapos, ano tawag dito?
ravioli,
Ravioli.
pasta, from pizza and pasta.
Tapos syempre, ginger ale.
Super okay dito sa Farmers Market. Well, it's St. Lawrence Farmers Market. First time lang naman namin, pero sobrang daming food available. And alam mo na yung mga food na prepare nila, fresh siya. So, yung pasta, fresh din siya when you ordered it. Tapos neat na lang din nila. Kasi sinabi namin we're gonna eat it here. So, and then we saw na meron pa sa baba here. Kahit ba doon? So may mga food pa sa baba. Marami din siya. May mga cheese. Yeah.
Ito, pickles, right?
Ayun.
Pagdating mo mo. Daming laman. Ravioli.
That's nice. okay naman.
Grabe, nasusukan ako sa busog.
Serve yung food. Yeah.
Oh, dahil masarap, kainin mo tong pickles. Pickle pala, pickle.
Okay, see you.
Coconut rumble.
Okay, taste test.
Parang chocolate na binalot lang ng coconut, ano? Try mo. Ito masarap. Sarap.
Hello, so nasa harbor front naman kami. So ito yung tsura ng harbor front. Ayan. So parang siyang paano ba? Explain.
Parang siyang Manila Bay natin.
Yeah, parang siyang Manila Bay, but cleaner. And mas fresh yung air.
Oo, mahangin sobra.
Yeah, so okay naman dito. Like it's nice, relaxing. So yeah, and then may view pa of the CN Tower.
And ito try namin tong churros. Nag-crave si Alex. Oh,
What sauce do you like?
Can it be both?
Yeah, it can be one.
Yeah, one of it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Is there some napkins?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Yan, take mo muna.